For this one, I'm going to use the binomial expansion theorem. The binomial expansion theorem says a plus b to the n is equal to a to the n plus n choose 1, a to the n minus 1, b. And then you have terms that are n choose r, a to the n minus r, b to the r, all the way until you just get b to the n. So that's your formula that you're going to use to expand this. All right, so the first term we know is just going to be a to the 5th. The second term is going to be 5 choose 1, a to the 4th, 5 minus 1 is 4, and negative 3b to the 1. Remembering that this number matches this number, and the exponent here is when you subtract 5 minus 1. Next term is going to be 5 choose 2, because it's the third term, so we're going to do 5 choose 2. A to the 5 minus 2, and negative 3b squared. This matches this. Next term is 5 choose 3, 5 minus 3, negative 3, oops, gotta move that parentheses over, negative 3b to the 3rd. And I am running out of room. 5 choose 4, a to the 5 minus 4, negative 3b to the 4th. And then the very last term is going to be negative 3b to the 5th. And I could include 5 choose 5, which is just 1, and a to the 5 minus 1, or 5 minus 5, which is also just 1. So I don't really need that. The next part is to simplify all of this. So you're going to find 5 choose 1 on your calculator. This is 5. A to the 4th times negative 3b. You're going to multiply this 5 with this negative 3 to get negative 15. So it starts with a to the 5. The next term would be negative 15, a to the 4th b. Use your calculator to find 5 choose 2. 5 choose 2 is 10. So we get 10 for this. Negative 3 squared is 9. 10 times 9 is 90. A cubed, b squared. You'll also notice that the exponents on these variables add together to be 5. All right, next term. 5 choose 3. Also 10. Negative 3 cubed is negative 27. Multiply those together, and you're going to get a negative, so I'm going to get rid of this plus sign. It's going to be minus 270, a squared, b cubed. 5 choose 4 is 5. Negative 3 to the 4th power is positive 81, and 5 times 81 is 405. So I get positive 405, a, b to the 4th. And finally, negative 3 to the 5th power is going to be negative 243, b to the 5th. And that's your answer. If it's raised to the 5th power, there should be 6 terms. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms.